This had a... Hi, Glenn here at Olomana Gardens, Natalie on this side of the camera. What we had here is a piece of pipe coming out of this 2" to 3/4 reducer. We had a 3/4 inch pipe coming out and it got broken off. Bummer. Well, I don't want to lose the siphon, so what I'm going to do is chuck this guy up and I'm going to grab my tap, and I took my tap and I threaded the tap into here, and using a T-handle on it, I spun this around and I threaded it. Now I have a 1/2 inch NTP thread in there. I can come along and put in a regular plumbing fitting with a tapered thread, and it'll tighten right up nice and snug, and I can come off here, put my shut-off valve, and I have a siphon again. You can save a lot of your fittings by using a tap. NTP, National Pipe Thread, and if it's a 1/2 inch, then it requires like a 23/64 drill bit. You can look it up on the internet, get the right size, but you can save so many fittings if you drill a hole and tap it in. But it's really neat. A 1/2 inch tap will fit right inside of a piece of 3/4 inch pipe. Worked out pretty neat. Thank you.